Dear Justin, I'm leaving the team. I know that the Overwatch League is just around the corner, but in the last couple of weeks, I've lost interest. I know that we talked about becoming big esports champions one day, but I'm not so sure anymore. No matter how hard we play, or how long you make me watch esports on Twitch, I don't think I'll ever be good. I want to look elsewhere, Justin. I want to get out there and see what I'm capable of. As you know, my biggest secret has always been my love for rock music. My mom would never in a million years let me play an instrument because of what happened between her and my dad, but I don't think that should stop me. I've decided to join the talent show. I don't have any talent that I can think of yet, but I'll think of something that'll impress everyone, especially her. I don't know what it could be, but I'm sure I can find a way around my mom's rule. No matter what, Justin, remember this. You stole my favorite red crown in kindergarten, and I've always hated you for it. The point is, Justin, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you bossing me around and telling me what to do. I'm a bird, Justin, and I can no longer be caged in. It's time for me to be my inner peacock and fly. Mom? 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 Mom?
Hey honey, gonna be a long night at work. Make yourself dinner and find something to do. I'll make it up to you.
One last thing, Justin. I've had an insane crush on your sister for the past couple of years. If you don't mind, I'll ask her out once the talent show's over. Anyways, sorry to break this news to you, especially on your birthday, but I'm sure you understand. P.S. I thought of something that no one will see coming. Hope to see you at the talent show.